Natural. My name is Taylor, and today we are going to be sewing. So you're going to need your sewing machine and your scissors, ruler, pins and needles. Definitely lots of pins. And I'm going to show you what fabric I'm using to make my baby blanket. First, I have this cozy mink fabric. Pretty sure that's what it's called. At Joann's. It's really soft and it has these little cute little bubbles on it. And I have some Pink Girl African fabric. This is gonna be the outer layer. Now both of these need to be cut 36 inches by 36, and after that you're ready to get started. Okay, so I have my 2 squares of 36 by 36. Now usually when you're sewing, you put them pretty sized together, but this time you're not. So the bubbles are on the outside. This is gonna be so easy. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do next. Okay, for your next step, you'll need your pins. And the only thing I'm gonna be doing on all 4 sides is folding this under once and then folding it again. And then I'm gonna pin it all the way around. The only thing that I do different with the corners actually that I wanna show you is I take the scissors and literally cut at an angle. Okay, so then it looks like this after I cut off the angle. Okay, we got that done on all 4 sides. Now we're gonna take it to the sewing machine and we're gonna sew right here on the edge of the fabric, all the way around. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get started here on the edge because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start here at the top of our square. I'm gonna go down, come this way, back up, and then I'm gonna go down this way. So I'm gonna make a little box here, kind of like a U, really, not even a box. Mommy. And taking the pins out as I go. We are all done. I want you guys to see how beautiful this blanket turned out. Jelani just turned off the light. Come on, show them. Come on, let's show them the blanket. Look. Let's show them the blanket. Perfect size. Alright, you guys, thanks for sewing with me. See you in our next video.